This sound effect is ruining my life. Twitch allows you to use bits or channel points to play audio on my streams, including this. Oh my god, okay! Oh my god, okay, alright, okay. I'm gonna go deaf, okay. My chat has taken it upon themselves to make this silly song a torment to my soul. Every time I foolishly mutter the word happy during a stream, they play 2 billion happies on top of each other, and the audio stacks, so it deafens me. It's the funniest thing in the world, but wow, I know what you all really are. You all want to see me suffer, huh? That's okay. If you want me to go deaf, follow me and watch my streams here to cause me thousands upon thousands of agony. I love you, stay juicy, and I'm scared for the next stream because